Harmonic modulation is a technique used to transmit data over radio frequency carrier. In harmonic modulation, data signal is modulated by the carrier signal that is an integer multiple of a base frequency. This results in a signal that contains a number of sidebands, which are frequencies that are created when a data signal is mixed with the carrier signal. The sidebands in harmonic modulations can be used to transmit data. For example, sidebands can be used to carry different bits of data, or they can be used to carry different channels of data. Residual amplitude modulation, or RAM, is a phenomenon that can cause in radio frequency harmonic modulation. RAM is caused by the fact that the two frequencies that are used to modulate the carrier signal are not perfectly orthogonal. This means that they do not have a 90-degree phase difference. When the two frequencies are not orthogonal, the sidebands that are generated are not perfectly symmetrical. This can result in a signal that has an amplitude that is not constant. The amplitude of the signal will vary depending on the phase difference between two frequencies. In 2A minus B harmonic modulation, the two original frequencies are 2A and 2B. The sidebands that are generated are therefore the frequencies of A minus B and A plus B. The amplitude of these sidebands is typically much smaller than the amplitude of the original signal, but they still can be significant in some cases. The sidebands of frequencies of A minus B and A plus B are called beat frequencies. The beat frequencies are caused by the difference of the sum of the two original frequencies. There are a number of ways to reduce RAM in harmonic modulation. One way is to use wider bandwidth. This will allow the sidebands to spread out more, which will reduce the amplitude of the beat frequencies. Another way to reduce RAM is to use different modulation technique. For example, quadrature amplitude modulation is a modulation technique that uses 4 frequencies to transmit data. This makes it less likely that the two frequencies will be non-orthogonal, which will reduce RAM. RAM can be a problem in harmonic modulation because it can distort the signal and make it difficult to decode. There are a number of ways to reduce RAM, such as using a wider bandwidth or using a different modulation technique.